Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to change the rear wiper blade on a 2008 Renault Laguna Mark III hatchback. It should apply from 2007 up to 2015, and it could also apply to the Grand Tour estate. So to change the wiper blade, you're obviously going to have to lift the whole arm away from the screen. And in here is a little teeny tab. You want to push that back towards the arm and pull the whole wiper blade down. Remove it accordingly. Get your new wiper blade. Place it back down over the arm. Slide it up until you hear the click. Place the blade back down. And let's test it. Well, that sort of works. But yeah, I guess when you have like a load of rainwater or condensation or whatever on your screen, it's going to be much more useful than the screen wash, which doesn't seem to really work very well. So we really hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to give it a like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.